And this is the first of 4 heats in the B fly of the men's 200 IM. Ivan Puskovic from the Episcopal Academy is in 1. Will Freeman from Pennington in 2. Glenn Walker from Lawrenceville School in 3. Jeffrey Wu from the Penn Charter High School in 4. Will Rabchak from Deerfield is in 5. Philip Wong from Riverdale Country School in lane number 6. Will Harpchak coming in when heat 1, 2:03.52. In lane 4 was second, 2:05.76, 2:05.80. For lane 1 was third.